What's up, guys? It's Osiris. Welcome to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing well. This is a new video series, and in this series, we'll be taking a look at Acoustica by Akai Digital. So we've looked at audio editing tools in the past on this channel. We've taken a look at Osun Audio. We've taken a look at some things in Isotope RX, and we'll just be taking a deep dive into Acoustica, and we'll be checking everything that has to do with Acoustica. So Acoustica is another audio editing, post-production, mastering, and restoration tool. And yeah, in a minute, I'll be showing you what got me hooked with Acoustica, but let's check out some things on the website. So discover Acoustica, and this is how it looks. This is a blank Acoustica project. And yeah, so you get a mastering suite, an equalizer plugin, a reverb plugin, a restoration suite with the basic things you need, the usual things you need for audio restoration, the noise, the hum, the click, the clip, and lots more. I'll put Acoustica on par with a tool like Isotope RX or Adobe Audition. Those are the only two tools I've used that meet this standard. But the first thing that got me hooked with Acoustica is that it offers multi-track editing, and this is just like the multi-track in your DAW. You can edit multiple audio clips at the same time, and this is really cool for an audio editor to have multi-track editing capabilities. And another thing that got me hooked is this remix tool. I know Isotope has one, but I've tried this and this is really cool. So this splits your song into different parts, and you can remix your song or remove the vocals or remove parts of the instruments. So let's take a look at the pricing here. So the premium edition costs $199, and the post-production suite costs $299. So this is another good thing. I mean, the main competitors of this tool that I know are Isotope RX and Adobe Audition, and Acoustica is cheaper than both of those tools. So for the premium edition, you get all the audio restoration things, and you get a mastering suite. Let's take a look at the mastering suite and the restoration suite. So we have mastering plugins. You have a dynamics plugin, you have a multiband dynamics plugin, and I really like the looks of this. The audio visualizer looks a lot like the FL Studio limiter and compressor visualizer. And you have an equalizer plugin here, and this is a really cool mastering suite to put in an audio editing tool. So for the restoration suite, you have the noise, the hum, the click, the clip. It's not displayed on the website, but this also comes packed with many more plugins. Like this has an echo plugin, a delay plugin. This has an exciter called Vitalize, the chorus plugin, the popular Akai Digital Multiply plugin, and a lot more plugins. So let's take a look at what the post-production suite offers. So the post-production suite comes with two extra plugins, the Devaborate and Defilter. So Devaborate is a cool plugin that removes or boosts reverb in your recording. So you can take out reverb in a audio file and audio recording. And Defilter is like a tonal balancer and a tone shaper plugin. So these are the extra tools you get with the post-production suite. I'll leave a link to get the premium edition and the post-production suite in the description below, but you have 30 days to try this out for free if you download this, and we're just going to go ahead and download this right now. So I just want to show you the whole installation process and how you can get started with Acoustica. So yeah, so let's install this, and I'm just going to click yes. Let's minimize this, accept. I'm just going to close the one I have open currently, and I'm going to select VST3 and the ARA plugin. Let's click next, 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 and install. So let's launch Acoustica. So I've already authorized my plugin, but you can just put in your license key from help, and you see an authorize option here. So that's how you get started with Acoustica. So this installs VST plugins in your VST folders, and you can use these plugins on your digital audio workstation. So yeah, this is Acoustica Premium Edition. That'll be all for this video. In the next video, we'll be going through the Acoustica interface and we'll set up Acoustica for our needs. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.